Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 17 Audi RS6 Avant, and I bought this for MRP, which is 549. So this is the recent pop culture set which came in India. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So a lot of people actually asked me to unbox some premiums. So I do have a lot of premiums. I think at least I will be having some 15, excluding this which I'm unboxing right now, this and this upcoming ones. So but I bought most of them abroad, and some are like a couple I actually bought from Facebook. They said it was imported, so I can agree on that, because recently there were no premiums in the past 3 or 4 years. Just started coming up very recently, right? So yeah, okay. So let's talk about this casting now. So as usual, you can see some dust and all, so which is pretty standard for a Hot Wheels nowadays. And it is a bit heavy because it's full metal casting. So if you are new to this hobby, and if you are wondering what's the difference between a mainline and a premium, so mainline has only a metal body and plastic chassis, and it doesn't have any rubber tires or anything. If it has rubber tires, which means it is a STH, so, or super resistant, if you guys are wondering. And a premium one has full metal casting, like metal body, metal chassis, and rubber tires with some unique set of rims. Not exactly 100% unique, they use this rims for a lot of other castings, but if you have this casting in mainline, you can see the difference, that rims is going to be totally different, and this is going to be totally different. Okay, so it has the grill details and all, everything is painted on, but the grill details are actually fully painted, it is not embossed or anything. So it feels like just a block of metal, if you ask me. So this is the reason why I originally didn't buy that Nissan Nismo, because I thought headlights and everything is painted, but when I unboxed it, I saw it was actually some kind of acrylics there. The paint job is okay, and I'm not going to say it is worst or anything, but it is okay. It does have tail light details, it's premium and all after all. And so overall, it's kind of a good casting. I'm not going to say it is not a, what I can say, a superb casting or something spectacular. It is a average casting, if you ask me. And even see the details here, the pillars and everything, all these things are just painted. It doesn't have any section there, even though it is not openable, still doesn't have any kind of section there. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls really well, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble, but still it rolls really well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.